Hi, I'm Kate O'Hara, Chief Executive Officer, Foodbank WA. Here at Foodbank WA, we are committed to feed, educate and advocate. Over 1/3 of households are struggling to provide meals 3 times a day. Too many households are skipping meals regularly. That is food stress. That is what Foodbank WA wants to see end. Our nutrition education program, NOM, recognises that every life stage needs some support to understand and change behaviours. It's an 1.5-hour session and we bring in everything. So you can imagine how the teachers feel and the teachers' assistants feel when we're able to wheel up with trolleys full of fry pans and utensils and all the food produce and all the recipe cards, and be able to sit down with grades 3s and 4s and work them through some fun games that they don't even realise they're learning. So there's cooking stations for groups of 4 or 5 to work together and to watch kids then preparing salads, and they're making mince dishes and fried rice and all sorts of yummy things. And they can smell it and they can see themselves actually producing a proper meal. There's also a dessert in there, by the way. And then they get to sit down and eat it together and they get a little taste of everything. The kids go home with a little recipe book, they can go through it with those in the household, and that's the joy. It's about taking the little seed that we start with one child into the households and encouraging them to go on and keep cooking and keep making meals for themselves and their loved ones and their families. There's nothing like eating great food together, which is why we call it NOM. NOM is all about how you feel when you eat great food for you that tastes great too. It's very nom 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 nom.